Good morning, BNI. I welcome you to another episode of BNI Buddy, where we get to meet one of our BNI friends and get to have that one-on-one recorded. Today, I have the honor of hosting one of the youngest members in BNI Chandigarh, especially the chapter Ajit in Mohali, a very dear friend, Mr. Anish Khanna. And he's carrying forward the legacy of KEWS Group. Let us hear from the man himself. I welcome you, Anish.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for having me here.
तो अनीश टू बिगिन विद KEWS की फुल फॉर्म क्या है?
तो basically KEWS stands for Krishna Engineering Works. It is a 25-year-old company started by my father. I'm basically second generation in this business. I am lucky enough to carry that legacy forward.
So I believe if your work is surrendered to Krishna, I think engineering would work.
Yes, exactly.
Beautiful.
That was the
Motto
thought
of the
process
name.
behind
I'm so
it.
glad. I'm
Yeah.
so glad. So to begin with, I'd want to know your BNI's category.
My BNA category is in power generators.
Okay. And what is that specific USP that sets KEWS Group apart?
आफ्टर सेल सर्विस तो बहुत लोग प्रोवाइड करते हैं. हम प्री सेल सर्विस भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं. प्री सेल सर्विस में क्या आता है कि जनरेटर इज अ टेक्निकल प्रोडक्ट. लोगों को नहीं पता होता कि उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है. वो बेसिकली कनेक्टेड लोड से एसोसिएट करते हैं कि जितना कनेक्टेड लोड है उतना उनको पावर बैकअप चाहिए. बट हमेशा ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं होता. तो हमारी प्री सेल सर्विस क्या होती है कि हम आपकी साइट पे विजिट करते हैं. हम आपसे डिस्कस करते हैं. हम ये नहीं पूछते आपको कौन सा जनरेटर चाहिए, कितनी रेटिंग का जनरेटर चाहिए. हम आपसे पूछते हैं आपने चलाना क्या है. आप हमें अप्लायंसेज लिस्ट आउट करो कि आपने क्या चलाना है. उसके बेसिस पे हम आपकी फिर लोड कैलकुलेट करते हैं इन टेक्निकल टर्म्स. एंड वो सारे कैलकुलेशन के बाद एक छोटा सा एस्पेक्ट ये लेके चलते हैं कि आपका फ्यूचर एक्सपेंशन कवर करते हुए देन वी सजेस्ट यू कि आप ये लेके चलो. एंड ऐसा बहुत बार हुआ है. मतलब एक लाइव केसेस भी ऐसे बार कई बार हुए हैं कि कस्टमर हैव बीन लुकिंग फॉर जेनसेट्स व्हिच वर डबल द कैपेसिटी दैट दे एक्चुअली नीड. और उससे उनकी आफ्टर सेल्स कॉस्ट बढ़ती है, रनिंग कॉस्ट बढ़ती है, इनिशियल कॉस्ट तो ऑफ कोर्स बढ़ती ही है. एंड कस्टमर कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं थे कि आप हमें हाफ रेटिंग सजेस्ट कर रहे हो, हम उसके साथ जाएं, नहीं चलेगा. एंड वी वर सो कॉन्फिडेंट कि हमने कहा कि सर नहीं चला, हमारे प्रोडक्ट ने हमें वापस ले जाएंगे, बड़ा तो हमारे पास है ही है, हमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं देने में, तो हम आपको वो दे देंगे. एंड टिल डेट उनका कंफर्टेबली सारा लोड चला.
So let us say there is a flat where a family of 4 is living, elder parents and a couple. So what would be the kind of power backup you think they'll be needing?
I'm assuming कि अगर 4 लोग हैं तो they'll be living in 3 or 4 BHK, minimum 3 BHK.
Yes, yes.
And for 3 BHK, if you go for 15 kVA is a good power backup, covering your future aspect as well. And अगर 4 BHK है तो 20 kVA ले लो.
And what is the kind of cost that is involved?
15 kVA roughly costs you around basic price is around 3 lakhs.
Okay.
3 lakhs plus 18% taxes. एंड अगर इसकी हम रनिंग कॉस्ट में भी जाएंगे ना, 15 kVA की 1.5 लीटर के आसपास आएगी पर आवर. तो आप ये समझो वो भी जब आपका पूरा लोड उस पर चल रहा है तो आप लेके चलो कि यू आर पेइंग अराउंड 120 rupees per hour for the power backup. That's nothing.
Usually what happens in flats is they have a power backup but they are extremely costly.
Exactly.
Right. So even the people living in flats can be a good client, right?
Yeah, they can be a good client provided if their builder is okay with having the individual power backups.
All right.
With them.
Okay.
That's the main concern with the flats.
All right. Other than that, what all buildings do you feel should have a power backup?
Like 400 gauge.
Okay.
400-500 gauge buildings which have automation in them, which today people are also installing lifts at their homes. So जब ऐसे equipments आपके आ रहे हैं, ऐसा lifestyle आप build कर रहे हो, तो you cannot afford power cuts in your
And I
daily
think
lives.
educational institutes, hospitals.
Definitely, वो तो है ही है.
They're
मतलब
there,
education
right.
institutes, your commercial institutes, hotels, chains, QSR food chains. There are very good connects.
Could you share some renowned names that our viewers must be knowing?
Definitely. We are providing power backup to Subways, Boston and Bites, Barista, cafe chains. Then in builders also we have few builders like Sushma and Marbella and Medallion. We are also associated with them. And few of the critical sites which we provide after sales services like CM House, Warner House, the Secretariat, Chandigarh Secretariat building.
Right.
So we are providing annual AMCs to them since, I don't know, from past 10 years, 12 years.
Oh, wonderful.
We are maintaining the power backups.
Lovely. And one thing that intrigues me about you is that you're doing this interesting MBA program. I'd like to tell the viewers about that.
It is a MBA program that is I'm pursuing from SP Jain in Bombay, which is specially curated for family businesses,
Wow.
especially second generation and onwards.
Oh,
So if you are a second generation in your business, then you are eligible for that, and then based upon your profile, you get into that. And basically, they teach you all around little bit aspects of everything, like accounts, finance. Like I'm coming from a mechanical background, and my father is also from mechanical background. Hold in finances has not been that strong. So through this, I get to know about different ways of managing the finance, taxes, and expansion, of course.
so now there's a lot of learning that also happens in BNI. What I'd want to know from you is, we follow a few core values.
Yeah.
What is that one core value that you personally resonate with?
I resonate with recognition a lot. In business also, I feel that if we keep recognizing even small efforts, then people tend to push extra efforts from themselves to get that recognition, and that overall reflects in the business. Like in BNI also, when we have our meetings, even we do recognize big things like referrals, thank you notes, one-to-ones, we do recognize that. But at times we also recognize small things like if someone is running the mic in a huge meeting, someone is carrying the mic to one-to-one person when they are introducing themselves, and we, after the meeting, we also, after the introduction is done, we recognize them with some small gifts and gestures. So that goes a long way.
And what I love about the process there is, they're all entrepreneurs.
Exactly.
They should technically be a little egoistic and say that's not my job, but they are all volunteers running around for one another, bucking each other up.
Exactly. We just announced that we need mic runners, and there are a lot of fans that shows up ki we'll do.
Youngest, oldest, everybody is ready to be
exactly.
one.
That's the learning I resonate with the most.
Lovely. And I like how you beautifully experienced and shared your personal expertise here. So now coming back, I'd want to know, BNI में एक परंपरा प्रतिष्ठा अनुशासन है गिवर्स गेम. जो मेरे viewers BNI members हैं, what is it that we together can do for you?
The good connects which I feel are for me, like I have mentioned, QSR chains is a very good connect, since we are OEMs and we have good territory.
What is OEMs?
OEMs are original equipment manufacturers.
Okay.
We basically manufacture DG sets on the behalf of Escorts. Escorts is the principal company which provide us with the engines.
Right.
So in generator business, no principal company manufactures generators themselves. They just manufacture engines, and then they authorize specific people for 2, 3, 4, 5 states to manufacture, and then the OEMs have the dealer network which supply to the end consumer. So basically, we are the OEMs for Escorts Kubota for Punjab, J&K, Himachal, Leh Ladakh. So since I have a good area which I serve, the QSR chains, it's a good connect for me. I can partner with them for their upcoming stores in various cities, showrooms, retail showrooms, commercial projects. Those are very good connects for me.
Lovely. I like that clarity that you had, that you could share with our audience. And before parting, Anish, I'd want you to pass on any message, generic message you'd like to convey to our viewers.
Since we are talking on the BNI terms, and it's a BNI platform which brought us all together, I'll pass the message, see, like, not in the business. I'm second generation in BNI also. My father is also part of BNI, and 2 years ago when he joined BNI, he was very skeptical about it. He was not a social person. He was skeptical that he should join, and he felt it is a lot of effort to go every week and interact with people and so and that. So when they interacted with people, the warmth that this platform provides us is commendable, and the results which I experienced in him and the business after that pushed me to join BNI. And through this platform, the viewers who are watching this, I would like to pass on this message only. Okay, it is a great platform, and every entrepreneur out there should at least once experience this. Joining or not, it's altogether a different topic of discussion, but one should come here and experience the warmth that we share and the bond we share.
Thank you so much, Anish. You're very young into the business. The only thing I would now request you is that हम यूं ही अपने businesses में grow करते रहें, हम यूं ही BNI में grow करते रहें, और आज से 10 साल बाद यहीं मिले और अपनी success stories discuss करें.
Definitely, ma'am. We'll यहीं पे हैं BNI में, और we'll come together again.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
With this, I'd like to thank Our location partner, KEWS Group, Sector 82 Mohali. My media partner, Video Doctors and Advertisers, especially my dear friend Prakash. And I, Divjot Kamboj, your host and host, is signing off. Thank you.